Alright, really quick video. We got two Milwaukee 3/8 inch impacts. This one is the M12 2554. This one is the M18 2754. Let's see how they compare against each other really quick. Alright, let's see how the big one compares to the little one on some 17mm brake caliper bolts. I'm going to use the deep on the top bolt because I got to get around the brake line, but I'll use this for the top one, we'll use this for the bottom bolt, see how they fare. Alright, as expected, no problem with the larger tool. Let's see how the little M12 Stubby does. Where is it? Way down there. Can we see it? Yeah, no problem. I like this thing. It's nice. Well, there you go. Hope you enjoyed this quick little comparison video. And as always, if you liked the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.